Now we will explore each one of these planes in more detail as we go through the lessons. But for now, what I'd like to do is draw your attention to activities that are common to all the planes. And they can be broken into tasks or functionality and information. So from the most abstract to the concrete, you're focusing on tasks at any given time, and you're also working with information. So for example, at the strategy level, the task may be to conduct user research. And the output of that may be the information which gives you enough to determine the scope at the next plane. You further refine that into the functional specification, and also we refine the information. The content becomes slightly more defined at that point. And then moving on up, getting more concrete, we focus on interaction design. Interaction design is concerned with consistency of elements, consistency of relationships, the consistency of the relationships of the information discovered and uncovered in the informational design aspect. It's also concerned with learnability. For example, if something is learnable, is it intuitive? And what intuitive means is first time learning. Can a user understand and comfortably navigate through a system upon seeing it for the first time? Then moving up to the skeleton, we're concerned with interface design. That may be prototyping, developing paper-based prototypes or tool-based prototypes. We also start looking at the navigation design. Where will the placement of a navigation, the order of the navigation, the hierarchy, the priorities, where is it going to take us? And the information design becomes much more defined at this point. The arrangements of the elements that contain that information. And finally, the tasks at the surface level are what the user can do, how they can interact, what effects are there, what they can click, where they can go to, and also the final version of the information that appears on the screen.